The Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 versus the Michelin CrossClimate 3 Sport, a true clash of all-season giants. The Turanza is known for its balanced mix of comfort, safety and wet stability, while the all-new Michelin CrossClimate 3 Sport promises sportier handling and enhanced all-weather grip. Let's break down their performance. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from 2025 Tyre Review's all-season test. In wet conditions, both tyres delivered outstanding braking, with the Turanza stopping just 0.1 meters shorter, so close that the difference is negligible. When it came to wet handling, the CrossClimate 3 Sport powered marginally faster, completing the lap 0.47 seconds quicker, while offering a 5% edge in subjective handling feel. However, in straight-line aquaplaning, the Turanza showed its strength, holding it at a max slipping speed of 78.5 km per hour, 4.2 km per hour faster than the CrossClimate 3 Sport, a solid 5% advantage. When it comes to snow, the Michelin CrossClimate 3 Sport consistently outperformed the Turanza All Season 6. It stopped 0.31 meters shorter in braking, about 4% better, accelerated 0.35 seconds faster for an 8% traction gain, and completed the snow handling lap 2 seconds quicker, showing a 3% advantage. Mileage was also in the CrossClimate 3 Sport favour, with an estimated 65,800 km lifespan compared to Turanza's 54,800 km lifespan, giving it a 20% gain advantage. On dry roads, the Turanza stopped 0.32 meters shorter in braking, a slight 1% edge, but the CrossClimate 3 Sport struck back with a 1% faster lap time and a touch more in subjective handling precision. For comfort, the CrossClimate 3 Sport scored 0.5 points higher, or about 2.5% better, while both matched evenly at 9.5 points for noise. Rolling resistance also favoured the CrossClimate 3 Sport, coming in at a coefficient value of 7.6, 17% better than Turanza's 8.9 coefficient value, and promising greater efficiency. Finally, price, which is a big divider. The CrossClimate 3 Sport is around 48% more expensive than the Turanza All Season 6. In summary, the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 excels in aquaplaning, slightly at dry braking, and comes at a lower price entry. On the other hand, the all-new Michelin CrossClimate 3 Sport is perfect for those seeking sporty handling, superior snow performance, higher mileage, and greater efficiency.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.